Hi there, students. One hand washes the other. Okay, this is an idiom or a phrase saying, if you help me, then I will help you. If you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. I don't know if you've ever noticed or you've ever tried. Have you ever tried washing your hands but one-handed? It's almost impossible to wash your hands with just one hand because one hand washes the other. They do the same to each other. Okay, so this is a situation where all the parties involved benefit from helping each other. Yeah, they're working together to for the benefit of each of them. So I think very often bribery is a case of one hand washes the other. Yeah. If you give my company the contract, I will give you personally some money, not your company, but you. One hand washes the other. I look good because I've got the contract, and you've got money to go on holiday with. Yeah. Or maybe a relationship between criminals and politicians and the police is a case of one hand washing the other. Yeah, they all benefit at the end of the day. Notice as well, this phrase, one hand washes the other, it actually has a second part. One hand washes the other, and both wash the face. Okay, so it's good for everybody. Yeah, or it's beneficial for everybody. It doesn't make it legal or moral or something like or anything like that, but it is beneficial for the people concerned. Okay, so you scratch my back and I'll scratch yours. Yeah, one hand washes the other. Help me and I will help you. And this is the idea of it. People working either together towards the same goal or exchanging favors. You do me a favor and I will do you a favor in return. Okay, let's see. Formality. I would give this a 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, well, it probably comes back from a work by the Roman Seneca the Younger in a book he wrote called The Pumpkinification of Claudius. Yeah, manus manam lavat. The hand washes hand. Yeah, and if you've ever tried to wash one hand, you'll know exactly what I mean. Yeah, so the two sides do mutual favors to help the other one, or two people working together to achieve a mutual objective. They're helping each other. One hand washes the other. Without each other, it's more difficult for them. Okay, so enough. Formality. Yeah, gave it a 5. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. One hand washes the other, and they both wash the face.